बिजली महादेव के मंदिर की ओर जाते हुए धीरे धीरे धीरे। और देखिए चढ़ाई काफ़ी स्टेप्स, और ऐसा बता रहे हैं कि शायद कपाट बंद है, जाने नहीं दे रहे। चलो देखते हैं क्या पोजीशन है, धीरे धीरे चलते रहिए। ये देखिए, लेकिन दोस्तों दृश्य बहुत ही एक भावुक करने वाला, बहुत ही सुंदर, बहुत ही उत्तेजना पैदा करने वाला है। और जब आप हाइट से फ़ोटोज़ लेते हैं, वीडियो बनाते हैं, तो उसका और ही आनंद। अब देखिए पूरा ऐसा लग रहा है कि जो सामने चोटी है उसी लेवल पर है ऑलमोस्ट हम। ये देखिए बर्फ़ पड़ी हुई, और ललिता जी आगे जाते हुए। अगर जैसे बोरे कपाट बंद है तो नीचे से हम महादेव को नमस्कार प्रणाम कर देंगे, और धीरे धीरे चलते हुए। ये देखिए दोस्तों, यहाँ ये भी एक ईटिंग पॉइंट है, बैठने के लिए लगाए हुए फट्टे लगाए हुए हैं। और ये देखिए friends, right now I am at Karate village, and from here this temple of Bijli Mahadev is 1.5 kilometer, and it's a chance meeting with my friend from Kerala.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Hello,
So-
I'm Nelson. I'm from Kerala.
Yeah.
I live in this village called Matevda in Parvati Valley, and I have a place called High Spirits Hostel and Cafe in Matevda village. Yeah, it's a very beautiful village, and people like to travel for their peace, and not on city like very commercialization and all. Always welcome to Matevda. Like
So, sir, tell my viewers about the this tariff or rent of your
my
accommodation.
place has two options. I have two attached rooms and two common rooms. So off season I charge like 1,000 per room and 800 per room for the common, and during season time 1,500 and 1,000 rupees.
So, do you also provide meals there?
We
food.
have a cafe, in-house cafe there, so people can eat
So,
food
both
on-
vegetarian and non-vegetarian.
Yeah, it's veg and non-veg mix. Yeah.
So, friends, you can visit his place there, and as he is saying, it's a very beautiful place, and you can get the place reserved. So, how reservation can be made if?
We have listed on Airbnb, and the listing called High Spirits Hostel.
Yes,
So
yes.
people can book through Airbnb directly.
uh,
Or else you can get my number from Google and Instagram. The same name, High Spirits Hostel and Cafe. Both place it listed. So you can contact me through the number also.
if you remember your mobile number, you just tell my viewers about the mobile number. Yeah.
My number,
Yeah.
right? 74838 50784.
So, friend, this is a number. If you want to have some inquiry, you can just contact him directly, or he has told how you can get your accommodation booked there. So, friends, the place is very beautiful. I have not gone there, but as he is telling, it appears to be a beautiful place. So, can you tell me about the height from the sea level, the place where you live?
It is 1,600.
Huh?
1,600 meters.
1,600.
Yes,
Okay.
Yeah.
So, friends, this is 1,600 meter from sea level. So, what type of that plantation is there? Trees, these deodar or chil trees, pine trees?
We have more of Devdar trees because we are on a higher altitude. So it's filled with Devdar trees only.
So, as you know that this valley has experienced snowfall. So what about snow in your place?
Our valley also gets like heavy snowfall actually.
Uh-huh.
So if people are traveling to Tosh, Kalga side and all, there is like 6-7 feet of snow already.
Uh-huh.
So we are actually on a lower side, Matevda village. So we are having like 6-7 inches of snow.
Okay.
Yeah.
So sir, what about wildlife there? Is there any the wildlife?
Wildlife is not very close because you have to trek for 6-7 hours to reach the deep forest. Then you find wildlife there.
So what kind of wildlife we can have there? These leopards or
You can find
bear?
leopards. You can find like
Bear.
the jungly goat.
Okay.
Yeah.
So sir, thank you very much
Thank you so
speaking to
much.
my
Thank
channel
you
and
so
wish you a very very prosperous new year. It has just started.
Yeah.
When you are in the month of Jan, so we can extend our greetings. not after this January. In February we can't just say. All the best. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. दोस्तों इस समय मैं यहाँ कराटे गांव में हूँ और यहाँ आज हमारा महादेव के दरबार में माथा टेकने का प्रोग्राम था, लेकिन ये जैसे कि आप बैनर लगा हुआ है तो यहाँ से आगे नहीं जाने दे रहे। तो महादेव का आदेश है कि यहाँ से आगे नहीं जा सकते। और ये राणा जी हैं। राणा जी, फिर कब तक जाने की अनुमति मिलेगी? अभी तो समय लगेगा। अच्छा,
जब भी महादेव का
अच्छा, जब महादेव का, अच्छा पहले भी हो सकता है।
हाँ जी, पहले भी हो सकता है। वैसे तो कपाट हमारा 15 दिसंबर से 15 जनवरी।
जी।
लेकिन अब
cutie
महादेव
pie.
का आदेश हुआ है कि बुला सकते हैं,
ठीक
देव नियम का पालन करो।
ठीक है।
हाँ जी, तो इसलिए हम कहते हैं कि भाई कोई भी श्रद्धालु जो है बिजली महादेव आजकल ना जाए।
जी।
जब महादेव का आदेश होगा तो
जी है ना, धन्यवाद सर जी। सो फ्रेंड्स, नाउ वी हैव आवर गेस्ट
I got nothing.
from Mumbai.
I
They are
got
Mumbaiker.
Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Hi.
So,
I'm
sir,
Prateek.
tell who you are. Tell my viewers who you are.
Definitely. Hello, everyone.
Yeah.
Prateek Saire this side.
Mhm.
I'm coming from Mumbai.
Mhm.
This is a very beautiful place.
Yeah.
And my daily life was to take care of some technological product by ICICI brand.
Uh-huh.
But today, I mean, we are here just to like get away from that clutter of life.
Yeah.
Just slow it down
Uh-huh.
and just enjoy.
So, ma'am, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So,
Hi.
tell about yourself.
So we're colleagues. We both work at ICICI.
Yeah.
We came here just to enjoy the mountains. We actually wanted to see snow,
Uh-huh.
and very luckily, the day we reached,
Uh-huh.
there was heavy snowfall. And I think for both of us, it's
Yeah.
like a dream come true. So we're
Yeah.
very
Very
happy.
lucky.
We've
So
been
you
staying
came
with
to this
Nelson.
valley. So
We came
you came to this Kulu Valley, and
Yes.
you brought the snow, and we feel very lucky.
Yeah.
Otherwise, for the last 3 months, we didn't have any rain. It was
Yeah.
drought spell going on.
Oh.
So we are
Oh.
thankful that you just came here.
Yeah.
You brought the. So, ma'am, is it your maiden visit to this place, or you guys have already been to this place?
This is our second visit.
Is this your second?
Yeah.
You too?
Same.
For
same.
him,
Yeah,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
So now it is very beautiful, snow-clad mountains, and everything is very beautiful now.
Yes.
eh?
Lovely.
So thank you for speaking with my channel.
Yes, thank you so
Thank
much
you for
for
this, no, no.
opening up these mountains to us. sir.
Yeah. So wishing you very very happy time in Himachal Pradesh,
Thank
or
you.
particularly in Kullu. So when you will be going back?
Oh, Saturday.
Saturday. So you will be carrying memories of this place.
Yes.
Loads of
And
Lots
loads
of
of
it.
memories. Thank you.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
okay.